Hello, this is Fine Line Firing, and welcome to another Minecraft video. Wow, that was quite stereotypical. But today, we will look at the last class in the defaults. That would be Repairman, and it'll be more difficult to show what it does with the MCMMO repair, which is the point of it. Because it's kind of hard to damage armor and then go find a iron block and repair your armor. So I'll just go over the offensive and defensive capabilities. Probably not the best arena since there's not much time left, but I'll have to do. It has a half stack of each repairing material. This is not normal, by the way. You can't do that with anything else. Anyway, what class was he? Oh, that's Magi. Oh, sorry, I rambled a little bit. Anyway, this is focused on knockback. It's got punch 3, power 1 bow, and a sharpness 1, knockback 2 sword, which makes it very, very knockbacky. The armor is fair. It's got protection 3 and 1 and 2 on most of it. Half diamond, half iron. Speaking in not realistic, but just pieces of armor terms. Anyway. Yeah. I might as well introduce this fine young mobber with me. I don't know if he's young, so don't quote me on that. Anyway, he is a quite good Mobarena person. I've known him for quite a while now. He has got fair MCMMO. I know I didn't want to bring that up, but it only made sense. Since I am an MCMMO fan. Oh, well. You know what? Just because that was short, I'm going to do that again, because I didn't do very well. And I know I should really say, oh, it's because it's a default class, they suck. I've survived pretty far with this before. I don't know what wave that was, maybe 15. But, you know, that's for a default class that's not camping, or doesn't have camping capabilities. It's actually not that bad. Oops, knocked my mic. It does need a little bit more sharpness on the sword, because right now it doesn't have enough power offensively. Or, no, physically. And maybe the bow needs power 2. That might be a little much, but it's... I don't know. It'll at least kill more things in one hit, even though it already does. Kill everything in one hit with the Strength 2 potion. Let's see, that's another Repairman. And that is a tank. One of these days I'll make a video that pertains completely to MCMMO. And I'll explain how it works and stuff like that. Maybe even show you the wiki page for it. But for now, it'll just have to be with the chat, you know, enemy bleeding and critical hit and stuff that you can figure it out. And the occasional, you know, stat name or that. I might as well type that in. You'll notice the name in orange. hopefully. I'm not bragging or anything. I am one of the higher people in MCMMO. Sir Game a lot. I know him, both, and he is. I guess he quit Mobarenas, not on purpose, but ever since 1.6 or something like that. I think you get the point. My jaw keeps popping, and it's very annoying. And I don't mean popping in a good way. It's just weird feeling. Oh, well, of course you attack me. Chest. Chest, yay. I think I should get a bit farther this time. I guess I could snipe up here for a while. But I don't really want to. Okay. Ignore the arrow lag and such. Drops it as a stack. I drop it as one item or 3 items. Ha! That was a win. I'm waiting for more mobs to come at me. This isn't really that bad of a place to stay in and camp at, but it's still not the greatest in the world either. Okay, I'll give a little background info on this map that I know of, just from being here. This is a Call of Duty map. I don't know what it is, because, I think I've stated why I don't know what it is before, but I haven't played Call of Duty that much. So that clarifies that. Oh, wow. There was actually quite a bit of lag when I threw that, and it hit. Alright, I'll die now, since the boss is here. Not on purpose and all, but, oh. And he's right there, so pull distance won't affect me. But that does. Ah, well, that was a good second try. Oh, pull distance almost saved me. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this up here and say, hooray! We finished all the default classes. Which, that's 11, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Unless there's more. You know what? I'll go check that, since I can. There are, yeah, 11 classes. Next, we'll do all these. The 3 Adventure, Elite, Fighter, Knight, Warrior, Legend, and finally, Veteran. By the way, those empty spaces are deliberate, because the building classes used to be there. I think I stated this before once. But, yeah, the building classes were abused, and the maps got nasty. Okay, imagine this. Imagine this spawn. Glass littering all the place. Glass towers and dispensers and all that stuff. That's what it's like. And yeah. Anyway, this has been the 7th-ish episode of Mobarenas. I might be wrong, because I also have another video recorded that I haven't been able to upload since it was very long. 16 minutes, since my other ones have all been below 10. was that long, and it's going to take 50 minutes to upload instead of the regular 30. And then I'll have to encode and convert this one. So, while I still have time to do all that, I am fine line firing, and I bid you all farewell.